Hudson Motor Car Company was once a giant in the American automotive industry, known for producing some of the most innovative and stylish cars of its time. From its founding in 1909 to its integration into American Motors Corporation in 1954, Hudson earned a reputation for creating vehicles that were not only stylish but also ahead of their time. While the brand is often remembered for the iconic Hornet, there's another classic from the Hudson lineup that deserves attention: the 1951 Hudson Pacemaker. The Hudson Hornet, introduced in 1951, has achieved legendary status in automotive circles, especially for its racing success in NASCAR. With its step-down frame design that gave the car a lower center of gravity and smooth handling, it was the performance car of the early 1950s. Under the hood, the Hornet boasted a powerful 308 cubic inch inline-six engine, making it quicker than most full-sized cars of its era. But while the Hornet stole the limelight, Hudson's Pacemaker, its entry-level full-size car, often gets overlooked. Introduced in 1939 as a replacement for the Terraplane, the Pacemaker had a brief history, disappearing after only a year in production before being revived in 1950 for a short 3-year run. It was an affordable option for those looking for the luxury of a Hudson, but without the high price tag. Despite being sold alongside the Hornet and the Wasp, the Pacemaker's sales began to decline sharply by 1951. In its final year of production, the Pacemaker was discontinued, and since then, very few of these models have survived. It's often easier to find a Pacemaker in a junkyard than in the parking lot of a classic car show. However, it seems that one lucky Hudson fan has found a rare gem, a hot rod 1951 Hudson Pacemaker that's now available for sale through Garage Kept Motors. This particular Pacemaker, while retaining its classic look, has been given a modern twist under the hood. The exterior sports a set of old-school flames over its pearl white body, a bold custom touch that sets it apart from the typical 50s car. Aside from the flames, the car maintains its original chrome trim, round mirrors, and even features a vintage sun visor above the windshield, details that make it feel like a nostalgic nod to the 1950s. Inside, the car tells a different story. The interior remains mostly untouched, with the original upholstery still intact, albeit cracked and fixed with tape in places. The dashboard features the same setup that came standard in the Pacemaker, giving it an authentic, vintage look. The cabin may show signs of age, but it's all part of the car's charm, keeping that time capsule feel intact. Now, what really sets this Pacemaker apart from the rest of the pack is what's hiding under the hood. Gone is the original inline-six engine, replaced by a built 327 cubic inch V8, a massive upgrade from the car's original 112 horsepower. This V8 engine is packed with modern touches, including a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, ceramic-coated headers, and a mild cam. With a metallic orange finish that pops under the hood, it's clear that this is no ordinary Hudson. The V8 is mated to a 700R4 automatic transmission and a 9-inch Ford rear end with 3.01 gears, giving the car more power and performance than the original inline-six could ever have offered. Although the exact horsepower output isn't specified, it's safe to say that this hot rod Pacemaker is a far cry from its original configuration. The car now has the kind of power and excitement that makes it a real head-turner on the road. Whether you're cruising down the street or taking it to a local car meet, this Pacemaker is bound to attract attention. For anyone interested in owning this unique piece of Hudson history, the price tag is set at $44,900. While that's not cheap, it's a fair price for a car that combines vintage style with modern muscle. It's not just a barn-find restoration, it's a well-done hot rod that retains much of its original charm while adding performance to match today's standards. If you're looking for a unique classic car that stands out from the crowd, this 1951 Hudson Pacemaker hot rod with its V8 surprise might be just what you need. This is a car that will definitely make a statement, whether you're showing it off at a car show or just enjoying the ride.